debate tonight, BJP national spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari, Suhail Seth, columnist Deepak Reddy, national spokesperson of the TDP. Also joining the debate, Faizan Kidwai, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Shelly Oberoi, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. But my first question goes to Ashwini Mishra, leader of the Congress Party. And Ashwini Mishra, I want to ask you, Manusmriti, what does Manusmriti have to do with paper leaks? And Manusmriti, Shudras, I thought this was banned way back in the 1920s. And Dr. Ambedkar has written books, chapter and verse. The word Shudra has since been banned. Which world are you living in? And if you're not interested in the students' welfare, because you don't even want to listen to the government's response, you don't even want to stick to the topic, you don't even want to know what exactly can be done, there is absolutely no action plan that you have suggested. Instead, what you want is drag the Home Minister out. I just want to ask you, is this an urban Naxal mindset at play?
Navika ji, good evening to you, fellow panelists and your viewers. You started with Manusmriti, so let me start with Manusmriti itself. Manusmriti 1.91 says that Lord prescribed only one duty for Shudra, that is to serve other three verses. And the same Manusmriti in 4.99, it says that one should not teach Vedas to Shudra. Shudra should not have a right to education. So Manusmriti has certain things which speaks against Shudras or the lower caste of that point of time. Now, this RSS ideology, I am sure you remember a bunch of thoughts by Golwalkar ji and his statement during the Constituent Assemblies when this whole constitution was being framed. The RSS said that our constitution is useless. We should govern by the Manusmriti. And that is exactly what this government is doing. The education system is spoiled by the mindset of this RSS. All the top positions are filled by the BJP and RSS ecosystem who want to enforce, who want to sideline or rather who want to diminish the very lower caste of the lower cadre of the society. We work for social justice and we ensure that people, the last person should get the justice. Now coming back to the other question, what it has to do with the bill. The bill is useless because this bill does not talk about preventing paper leak. It is like you are discussing whether my suit will look good with 2 buttons or 3 buttons, because there is already clause for the punishment if the paper leak happened. If you increase those punishment by
अरे भैया तो आप सूट के 2 बटन और 3 बटन से बाहर निकल के कुर्ता पजामा का स्टाइल बता देते. आपके पास कोई तो प्लान होगा, आपके पास कोई तो विजन होगा कि if not this then what? There must be an alternative strategy. Was it evident in Parliament? Both houses have debated not one point that actually talks about prevention came from the Congress either, the entire opposition either. So what are you talking about? Manusmriti. And B.R. Ambedkar has written what he has written about the Shudras. And he says the present day Shudras are a collection of castes drawn from heterogeneous stocks and are racially different from the original Shudras of the Indo-Aryan society. So what are you even talking about? The Prime Minister bows down before the Constitution, not the Manusmriti. Why are you so obsessed with the Manusmriti, Ashwini? I can't understand. Pradeep Bhandari, do you know मर्ज की दवा क्या है? मर्ज क्या है कांग्रेस पार्टी का?
Well, Navika ji, the Congress does not respect the Constitution. This is why the Congress is speaking about Manusmriti more than the Constitution, and even on Manusmriti it is quoting it out of context. Mahatma Gandhi had also spoken about a lot of teachings of Manusmriti, but I'll not get into that. The debate is on student reforms. I ask you, Navika ji, have you seen a single point or by Rahul Gandhi, whether it is how to prevent paper leak, anything on his speech? No. Whether the Congress ruled state, whether it is Telangana or Karnataka where paper leak are rampant, or whether it is Kerala where the students are being fired by water cannons, what the Congress party is doing about it? No. Or whether where Congress party in Karnataka is filing cases against peaceful protesters who are asking about student reforms? No. Rahul's contribution to these countries' entire debate on paper leak, where the government has got the most stringent law to prevent paper leak, has been zero. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who the Congress ecosystem thought is more intelligent, and Sohail Seth also used to think she is a better speaker than Rahul Gandhi. What was the substance of Priyanka's speech? Deriding a professor of IIT Madras and a director of IIT Madras, who is a scholar, academician, scientist in a computer. In fact, one of the recipients of a DRDO medal. So this is the Gandhi Vadra's contribution to the debate. But let me come to the moot point, Navika ji. We had taken moral accountability. The education minister resigned. We took the step of bringing in a preventive deterrent law, which is the till date the biggest law that any government has brought. What is the Congress government done in Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, where it is ruling? Zero. Has the Congress government provided any suggestion? No. And if the Congress speaks about peaceful protesters, this is Turkman Gate, where the Congress party had fired and Indira Gandhi had fired on the students.
What is the preventive in the law? What is preventive in the law?
Where the Congress government fired
What is
on
preventive in the law?
100 students were killed.
Pradeep
That is the
Bhandari
reality,
ji,
my
what
friend.
is preventive in the law?
The
Can you
preventive in
tell
the
me
law is
what is
3 months
preventive
trial.
in the
The
law?
preventive in the law
How
is conviction
Where
time
is
bound.
the mention
The
that
preventive
it
in the
will
law is
prevent it?
duty bound investigative officials ensuring that the paper leak, if somebody
We
commits a
saw
paper
that.
leak,
We
is
saw
behind
that.
bars and it's a
First
non-cognizable
hearing and
offense.
your CBI
Now you
lawyer
tell
did
me,
not turn up.
Ashwini, you
First
tell
hearing-
me,
first-
what did you
first
do?
hearing in the
What have you
past
done in the past
and
to
your
prevent
lawyer
paper
did
leaks?
not turn up.
Zilch. Priyanka Gandhi
That is
Vadra
how serious
had
you are
a
for
man
the
who
student.
was convicted of Bihar paper leak 2005 in her personal team. You are
Stop.
promoting paper leak. You are
making
shielding
fool of the
paper leak
people.
mafias.
You
That
are
is what you've done. Kapil
incompetent
Sibal was the
government.
education
You
minister in
cannot stop
2010.
paper leak.
You know, he
This
attempted
is
to
not
bring a
Rahul Gandhi
bill
this time,
and it
but
collapsed in the floor of the parliament.
Ashwini ji, one question can you answer? Ashwini ji, one question can you answer, please? You are saying the government is incompetent. Okay, for a minute, let's believe you. And let's accept what you're saying. Yes, the government is incompetent. आप तो competent है ना? आप alternative plan बता दीजिए. है कोई आपके पास alternative plan?
बिल्कुल है नाविका जी,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल
बताइए
बिल्कुल।
बताइए
राहुल-
मनुस्मृति से निकालेंगे
नहीं,
मनुस्मृति से निकालेंगे लोगों को कमरे से बाहर खींचकर मारने के लिए छोड़ देंगे ये आपका ऑल्टरनेटिव प्लान है कॉलिंग पीपल इडियट्स एंड अंधभक्स इज दैट योर ऑल्टरनेटिव प्लान अश्विनी व्हाट इज योर ऑल्टरनेटिव प्लान दैट वाज नॉट presented to parliament when the response is being given you walk out of parliament why are you wasting the nation's time and may I just tell you what Mr. Wangchuk has said Mr. Wangchuk who did a 28-day fast आपने नहीं किया था उन्होंने किया था do you know what he has said that he is very happy that this bill has been passed and he said that this is an improvement in exams and I hope this improvement is not only in the exams but also the education system. अब वांगचुक जी से ज्यादा आपका कंट्रोल है इस पूरे प्रोटेस्ट पे या सिर्फ क्रेडिट स्नैचिंग का आपका ट्रेडमार्क है?
नाविका जी सॉल्यूशन सुनने के लिए one has to be the student and not the idiot. We have been
Are you
trying
calling
to
the
explain.
28
We
crore
have been
people who did
trying
not
to
vote you as
explain.
idiot?
We have been trying to
call-
explain as
Today
Rahul
you are
Gandhi
called-
said. One
Revan
has to be
Reddy
the
today
student
called
to
the
understand
students
the
of the- in
suggestion,
Telangana,
not the
engineers in
idiot or
Telangana
the
waste.
unbug. This government is
Ashwini,
acting like
I have the
idiot
video
who's
of your
not
Chief
thinking
Minister
of any
Revan
solution,
Reddy
who's not
who
thinking of
called
preventing an
the
issue.
engineers in
हम बोल
Telangana
रहे
as
हैं
a
चोरी
piece
हो
of
गई है,
garbage.
ये बोल रहे हैं दरोगा बदल दो,
Piece of
ये बोल रहे हैं
garbage. That
कानून
is what
बदल
you
दो,
call the
चोर को
engineers.
मत पकड़ो,
अरे
चोरी को
भैया
मत
कुछ
पकड़ो।
तो बताओ
हमने
कानून
कहा
में
चोरी
विश्वास
हुई,
नहीं लॉ
आप
में
बोले
विश्वास
चोर को मत
नहीं
पकड़ो,
कोर्ट में
चोरी हो जाने
विश्वास
दो, हम
नहीं
दरोगा बदल
किसमें
देंगे।
विश्वास है?
अरे भाई
आपकी बात
दरोगा बदलने के लिए सरकार ने नहीं कहा कपिल सिब्बल जी ने कहा that if it is not the home minister then the SDM should be changed. You please first decide within the opposition ranks but I want to get in Suhail se.